Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are out in Spanish Town and we're giving you a tour of the Twickenham Park JUTC bus depot. And over at this bus depot you also have some of the school buses. Now the government announced that they're going to be purchasing 150 additional school buses. They have 100 school buses in the island already and they are going to be buying another 150. The 150 will be phase 2 of the rural school bus system. So we're going to go through an article that gives more information on this. Now, the school bus system in Jamaica is very successful. It is working well, and as a result of that, they're moving on to phase 2. The Ministry of Energy, Transport and Telecommunications has launched Phase 2 of the rural school bus system with a tender for 150 new buses, confirming Minister Darrell Vaz's early announcement that procurement would begin before the end of November. The buses will operate exclusively under the National School Transportation System to provide safer, more reliable, and more affordable transport for students in rural areas. The rollout comes alongside sharp criticism of private sector operators who the government says have contributed to unsafe travel conditions, inconsistent service, and excessive fares for school children. Phase 2 builds on lessons from the initial launch, with an emphasis on GPS-equipped buses, trained drivers, improved maintenance systems, and structured route coordination with schools. The expansion is expected to reduce transportation burdens on families, improve attendance and punctuality, and create new jobs in fleet management, driving, and vehicle servicing. While challenges remain regarding rural road conditions and operational funding, the tender signals a strong national commitment to educational access and student safety, particularly in underserved communities. Alright guys, that's the end of the update article. Let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. Alright guys, have a good day.